Hey guys, I'm Raincloud, and I got a thing to show you. It's not drone related or anything specifically, but it kind of is. So I'm using an FR Sky 4 channel receiver to control the Scooter Booter. Aha! So, this is just a... Oh my god, I can't tell what's happening. This is just a small little boat thing that I built out of a bunch of servos. I hope you can kind of see what's going on there. It's got a foot that makes it go. It's got wheels made out of Hot Wheels. The servos that make it go are, this one's regular and this one's wired reverse, but so that they do the same thing, and they're hooked actually into the same channel. So I have 3 channels of control and 1 channel of power input on the receiver. And then one of the channels of control is controlling 2 servos and la-di-da. And then the other stuff on the front, that's a pan tilt FPV camera thing. So this is not a boat and not a car, but it's both, but it doesn't do either very well, so it's a scooter booter. It's great. Right now I can't steer it, but I'd like to tap into the pan servo and actually have some friction that goes on. But let's see how it does. And the throttle is, oh, come on baby. Okay, so there's a scooter booter. It's all powered up and ready to go. I got some port and starboard lights. I don't know if that's actually legit, but that was a boat at one point. It floated, but it didn't move around very good. And again, this whole thing started because I'm all out of flying machine parts, so I got to, still got to tinker. So on the front end, you can see that I've got the pan tilt thing going on with the FPV, and that's broadcasting. I don't know if it's screwing up your thing, but and then the throttle is interesting in that I've got it wired up to scoot. Yeah. So that's all that is just a foot. It's caught up over there, but again, this is a short project and it doesn't steer at all, but maybe it will. So, without further ado, we're gonna FPV this thing. Okay. Searching for the channel. Almost. Okay, so there we have it. I can't show you what it looks like because the other camera's down, but essentially, this is the gig. I can scoot. That's fantastic. And I can look around. And I can get caught up on the same ledge. Recon mission there. Had to come out of the FPVs. So it'll go. You know, eventually. But there you have it, guys. That's a lake. So I'm Raincloud, and that's the scooter booter. And if you haven't been able to tell, I'm filming all this stuff with FPV gear. I got a really sweet DVR going on, and then this is my 4S camera rig, which is really cool. So yeah, the audio is probably going to be terrible and all that, but there you have it. This is a scooter booter. If you want to see how I built this or have any ideas on how I can make it steer, let me know, man. This has been really fun. Until next time, I'm Raincloud. Perfect.
Tell me what you see.